Snow days equal prep time, restocking my emergency pantry. Hey everyone, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I'm taking full advantage of this week's snow days. I'm in the kitchen, refreshing my emergency prepper pantry. Today, I'm restocking black beans, lentils, and adding some new varieties. Let's talk about the rising food prices since Trump's been in office. From firing federal government cuts to families struggling every day to keep food on the table. Going to be tougher. Yeah, you think it's tough now? High food prices are hitting all of us, but by preparing like this helps me stay a step ahead. Stay tuned for more tips on how I keep my pantry stocked even with a rising food cost. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Every preparedness pantry has got to have a piece. All I did was add celery, onion, a little bit of pepper. What are you cooking today? We'll see you in my next video.